Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So at this time, I want to give some like motivation or not motivation, just a lesson about time management. Exactly is time management for student. Okay, why does it matter? Because uh, first, the student juggling act. Often juggle numerous responsibilities, demanding classes, extensive assignment, part-time jobs, and a vibrant social life. So yeah, students have many activities, yeah, like study, and then before study have to wake up early, and then pray subuh, take a bath, eating, and after school, or maybe free time, maybe if you want to play, if you want to sleep, and if some certain day there is laundry like that, if in IDN. The second is consequences of inefficiency. Failing to manage time can result in increased stress level, frequently missed deadline, and severe burnout. Example is like if like the first one that I say, time management is important for student. If you use your time inefficiently, you will get the result of stress. Like for example, maybe if on the morning you wake up late, yes, and then you take a bath late. Nah, if late you will get punishment, and maybe from the punishment you will get stress. The third is foundational life skill. Uh, Effective time management is not merely an academic tool; it's a critical life skill. Yeah, because time management is your foundation of life. If you can manage your time, then you can um, manage your time good. If you cannot manage your time, your life will be messy, mess up, yeah. Okay. The cost of poor time management. Uh, yeah, because if you have the poor time management or not a good time management, like I said before, you will get stressed because of deadline, or maybe like late for something. And if you have bad time management, you will your life will get messed up. Like for example, you have a schedule at this time for this and at this time for this, but your time management is not good, so the thing will be messed up. Like example, at maybe at 3 p.m. I will uh, so pray asar, but you, because of not good time management, sleeping, like that. How time management can boost productivity and focus. The first, prioritize tasks. So if you have good time management, you can always prioritize your tasks. Like I said before, the morning you take a bath and then pray subuh. After that, you go to prepare for school, go to school, and then learn until done. So if you have good time management, you know what to do. The second, the Pareto principle is that focus on the 20% of the tasks that yield 80% of your result. And third is time blocking. Time management improves decision making and self-discipline. Okay, like I said before, time management increase your self-discipline, because if you get used to like discipline, like always following your schedule, you will make yourself discipline, and that is a really good habit, because discipline is made through habits, yeah. not like one time, but habits. So it have to be happen often. And then balancing academics and life. Okay, for student, uh, it's hard to manage time since student have study time. So you as a student have to manage your time uh, correctly. Maybe like the morning is for school, and then the evening until night it's your free time. You can use that time for what you love. Maybe if you want to, you can do sport, or maybe learn or reading book, so that you manage your time correctly and uh, fully using your time. Okay, real student challenge and solution. Okay, challenge, over commitment. Over commitment is like taking too many tasks or responsibilities. Like one day, maybe your time management is for morning, just for study in school, and then the evening until night it's free. But if you have this type of challenge of a commitment, the solution is simple. You can just prioritize your tasks. So just don't overthink and manage your time correctly. The next, perfectionism, spending excessive time on minor details. This time management problem is often happen to us. Like when you do simple things, but you take long time because you just overthinking. For example, if I have like a poster project, usually if you make poster project, 2 or 3 days is enough. But because you want the poster to be perfect or good, you need more days just to spending time. And the next is lack of prioritization. This problem happen because don't know what to prioritize for a student. Because if you are a student, you have to know what to prioritize first and last. And the last is distraction. Yeah, this always happen to a student, distraction. When study, the student usually not listening to teacher, or maybe doing something else. Yes. Developing time management skill. First is extracurricular. Yeah. To manage your time, you have to do extra things so that your life is disciplined. Like maybe after school, it's free time. You can play football or do other sport, or maybe just reading book like that. The second is leadership roles. In leadership, discipline is a must. So if you develop your time management skill, you will develop your leadership skill. The third is group project. Group project can develop management skill because yeah, it's a group, you are not alone. So don't be a burden to your friend. The fourth is preparation for professional life. Since now you're a student, later you will get grow up, and then if you grow up, you will get into professional life. So you have to prepare from now. Okay, take control of your time. So if time management is simple, you just need to start from a small thing, like small habit, and then from that small habit, if you are consistent, that will be a big habit and a good habit. Okay, so yeah, maybe that's all the material that I can give. Any question? Okay. Okay, so yeah, the conclusion is manage your time well and you will be a success person. Okay, thank you. The last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.